What is MES? Well, it's Manufacturing Execution System. But you may be wondering, what does that really mean? Let's think about traditional manufacturing. Imagine being a manufacturer who is grappling with the chaos of managing processes manually. Spreadsheets, paper trails, and disconnected systems leading to miscommunications, delays, and lost revenue. To address these challenges, organizations turn to software solutions like PLM, MRP, ERP, and MES. MES tracks, documents, and controls the manufacturing process, from raw materials to finished products. It bridges the gap between planning and execution, bringing coherence and efficiency to manufacturing operations. Now, how does MES differ from PLM, MRP, and ERP? While these systems manage product-related data, product development lifecycle, materials and components needed for production, and consolidate other aspects of a business, MES focuses on the manufacturing process. It gives you real-time visibility into what is being produced, where raw materials and products are, what resources and people are busy or available, and what is being spent or wasted at any stage of production. Introducing Autodesk Fusion Operations, a unique cloud-based MES solution that goes beyond traditional systems. It is your partner in manufacturing optimization, offering quick implementation, intuitive use, and delivering results from day one. Autodesk Fusion Operations is where robust functionality meets simplicity, and where challenges transform into innovations. With Autodesk, you're not just adopting a solution, you're embracing a vision to bridge the gap between design and make. By connecting data, teams, and workflows, Autodesk empowers insights and informed business decisions. Begin your digitalization journey and experience the future of manufacturing. Learn more about Autodesk Fusion Operations and witness the transformation in your next production run.